Okay. Um, Good day, student. As we continue, so question two. Question two says, you can see we have a bigger isosceles triangle, and we have a trapezium, and we have a smaller triangle. All right. So the one that is easiest for us to get from this is angle D. So D plus 38 equals 180 degrees. While sum of angles on a straight line, this straight line is 180 degrees. So get our D to be 142. Since D is 142, remember this is a trapezium. The opposite pairs of an isosceles trapezium are equal. So that's why we have A and D to be the same thing. Pairs of opposite angles are equal. So A equals to 42, 142. Then um, so since we have gotten A and D, what is left for us is to get B and C. So we add all together, A plus B plus C plus D equals 360. Sum of angle in a quadrilateral. Then A is 142 plus B plus C plus 142 D. A and D equals 360. So B plus C plus 284 equals 360. When you subtract it, you have 76 degrees. 76 divided by 2, you have that's 38 degrees. 38 degrees. So since we have our B and C 38 degrees, we can solve it two ways to get our E. That's the next. To get our F first. To get our F. Okay, no, F is not part of it. To get our E, so we can either say, okay, let me solve that. To get our E now, we have gotten A, B, C, D. To get our E, we use the big triangle, which is the isosceles triangle. You say E plus B plus C equals to 180, while sum of angles in a triangle. So what is our E? E plus B is what? 38 degrees, and C is also 38 degrees because of 180 degrees. So our E plus, that's 76 degrees because 180 degrees. So our E equals to 180 minus 76 degrees. So our E equals to what? That's our E equals to 104 degrees. Or you can say, but that will be longer. You can say let's represent here to be F. We are not given this, so we can make it F. So A plus F, get your A plus F equals 180 degrees. So we're going a straight line. Then 142, since we have gotten our A to 142, take away from 180, you have your F. Then you now use this smaller triangle. Now F plus 38 plus E. That's E plus F plus 38 equals 180. Sum of angle in that smaller triangle. Then you add them together, E plus the small f is 38, like we got here, plus the second 38 equals 180. So E plus 76 equals 180. E equals 180 minus 76. E equals 103. As for the second question 6. All right, thank you.